When you smell something, to process that scent, your brain uses the same areas that it would to process emotions and memories. That's why smells can be so nostalgic, so memorable, because your brain literally processes it as an emotion and as a memory. When you smell a fragrance that you used to wear as a teenager, you instantly time travel to those days and remember being a teenager. When you smell the perfume that your ex used to wear, you immediately think of her. This means that if you smell good, you can trigger positive emotions and memories on people around you. It's a sort of psychological hack that most men don't even know exists. But now you do. So let's go through all of the ways that you can smell amazing and trigger those emotions when people meet you or just around you. Look, most guys, when they think of smelling good, they think of overspraying cologne. And we'll get to that later, but there are so many other ways to smell good. For starters, let's smell the clothes that you're wearing. The thing is, your body can be clean, smell good, but if your clothes over your body smell bad, then you're gonna smell bad too, right? And this is embarrassing, but this happened to me before. I left wet clothes in the washer for too long before drying them, and that humidity in the washer made my clothes smell awful. And look, the embarrassing part is that I noticed a weird smell around me. I actually had no idea that it was my shirt. I thought it was the place I was in or someone around me, and it was me all along. So don't make the same mistake. Use a good laundry detergent and throw a dryer sheet into the dryer to make sure that your clothes smell good. Oh, and definitely don't leave wet clothes in there for too long, or you're gonna have to rewash them before throwing them in the dryer. Otherwise, they're gonna smell horrible. Now, of course, you also have to be clean, right? Shower every day, make sure you wash your body with a good body wash. And something interesting that I read the other day is that most men don't wash their lower bodies. Most men wash their torso but believe that the water running down will wash their legs, their feet. It's just not true. All right, so get body wash in all of the nooks and all of the corners. Make sure you're cleaning your entire body, especially your manly areas. Otherwise, you won't smell as good as you think. And something that most men also forget is that your space, your car, your bedroom, those areas, they should also smell good. You know when you go into someone's car and you instantly smell cigarettes or the McDonald's they left there on the passenger seat, or you walk into someone's apartment and all you can smell is what they had for dinner last night. That's a turnoff, right? You have to pride yourself in the way that your space smells, and the easiest way to do that is with this little guy right here. This is Drift, and it's a wood freshener that smells so damn good. This is my favorite scent from them. It's called Seaside. It's got cedar wood, tonka bean, orange blossom, and sea salt fragrance. Now, Drift was kind enough to sponsor today's video and even give you guys 55% off your first order with the code ALEX55. They have the wood freshener, stone, and even a metal one. I just really like the look of the wood. It's made right here in the USA from sustainably sourced wood, and even magnetized in the back to fit perfectly on your car visor with the metal clip that comes with it. Now, I actually like the metal clip because I can hang it on my closet. I just put it on a hanger, and it's funny because every time I open my closet door, I immediately smell it, and it's so refreshing to walk into a room, especially with all my clothes in there, right, and get that fresh scent. Even my assistant the other day walked in and said the same thing. She goes, "Wow, your closet smells really good." Girls definitely notice this stuff, even more than we do. So hang it on your visor, put it in your closet, or you could even put it in a drawer to make sure that that drawer smells absolutely amazing. I specifically like Drift for 3 reasons. 1, it's easy. You get real scents delivered to your doorstep every month. 2, it's clean. They use premium essential oils and fragrances with no paraben or harmful chemicals. And 3, it's stylish. It looks really nice no matter where you put it. So check the link below and use the code ALEX55 to get 55% off your first month at Drift. So next time someone comes over or gets into your car, you for sure get that compliment and immediately make them feel good. Next, let's talk about the most intimate smell. And I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about your breath, all right? Intimacy, when you're close to someone, whether it's romantically or not. And typically when you can smell someone's breath, it's not a good sign, right? Unless you can smell a minty breath, unless they're chewing gum or just use mouthwash, that means that there's food stuck in your teeth or in your gums. Look, brushing with a toothbrush and toothpaste is good. That's like the basic though. It's not good enough. Make sure to floss every single night. It makes a huge difference, not only for your oral health, but also for your bad breath. And also something that guys usually don't know is you need to brush your tongue. I brush my tongue every morning. A lot of bacteria, a lot of things that sit on your tongue that need to come off, and a toothbrush is just gonna smear it and spread it across your tongue. So you need a proper tongue scraper. By the way, if you wanna smell absolutely incredible, hit that subscribe button below because I got you guys covered. It's my job to help you guys look, feel, and smell your absolute best. So join the YouTube family. Thank you guys so much and welcome. Now, the next way to smell great is, of course, fragrances, colognes. It's something that I talk about all the time here on the channel because I am absolutely in love with the art of fragrances. I think it's so cool. But besides it being artistic and super cool and, you know, with different scents and different notes, it also just makes you smell good. It also makes sure that you're not smelling bad out there, especially in the summertime when you're sweating. This is going to help. But the thing about fragrances is you can't just drown yourself in fragrance, right? And think that that's gonna cover every single smell. This is what you should do. 5 sprays, 1 on each side of your neck, right below your ear, 1 on your chest, and then 1 on each of your wrists. Do not rub them together. That should be more than enough. And if you're wearing a super heavy fragrance, I would even skip the wrists. But none of that, and I mean none of these tips in this video would actually make sense and will actually work unless you do this next one, which is, especially for us guys, you gotta wear deodorant, bro. You gotta wear deodorant every single day. All right, I wear antiperspirant, I put it on at night, and then I wear deodorant during the day. I know some people don't like that. It just works for me. The other light stuff does not work for your boy. So make sure you're wearing deodorant. Do not show up to the gym, to school, to your office without deodorant. Keep it in your car, keep it in your bag, keep it in your office drawer. Make sure that you always have deodorant on because us guys, we tend to sweat more than women. And you know what? When you sweat, you get that BO, it runs through your shirt. It's just not a good way to live and you're going to smell bad. No matter how many times you brush your teeth, no matter how much cologne you put on yourself, no matter how much body wash you wash your body with. Deodorant is key, so don't forget it. Check out that first link to get Dripped for 55% off. Man, it's so freaking good. And by the way, this is the video that you're looking for. 10 stylish spring essentials. You gotta watch this for the season to make sure that you look your best. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again soon. Peace.